unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 book cover keyboard. This is a book cover for the Samsung Galaxy Tab, and this is from Samsung itself, as you will notice from the logo right over here and the one underneath. I'm going to open this particular cover and show the case to you. But first, there are some specifications here. Over here it's written enhanced productivity. There is function key, touchpad and Samsung DeX on-off shortcut key. Perfect design for usability, free angle stop, hinge, detachable keyboard and embedded S Pen holder. Anything else? That's more or less it. Let's open this and take a look inside. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box. This is the flip case basically. Okay, the sticker also provides some instructions on how to use it basically. I'm going to show it to you. So as you can see, this is the keyboard, the book cover keyboard for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. This is not a full keyboard, but that's okay. It comes with a trackpad as well. And on this part of the cover, you will find that there is a groove over here. This is where the stylus goes in, and there is also a hinge right over here. There you notice there's a metallic hinge actually. So the idea is that you first fold this particular component and place it over here like so. You can additionally hold the stylus underneath like this, and you put the tablet and you rest the tablet basically on this particular surface, Furthermore, this particular box also comes with these two documents. This is a user manual and instruction guide on how to use this particular cover case, the cover case keyboard, and you also have a product information brochure from Samsung. And that's what you find inside the box containing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 book cover keyboard. Thank you for watching.